Welcome class. Hope you all are fine at home. Myself Shashikala. I am going to take the EVS for you all. Right, beta? Now, please be ready with your semester book. Notebook should be aside. Right? Now, pencil and eraser. Please make sure these all things should be ready whenever you are listening to the class. And take out the page number 233. Now, in this class, we are going to read about the animals. Where few animals are there who will eat only vegetables. Vegetables means, in the sense, here the plants they will eat, the fruits, the vegetables they will eat, and few animals are there who will eat the flesh. Flesh means killing the other animals. That animals meat they will eat. About such animals we are going to discuss in this class. Now the name of the lesson is Life of Animals. Here we are also the social animals. People call as the social animals. Now in the same way here few animals are there. Few animals which will be at our home. And even the animals also there are the two types. They are domestic and wild animals. Domestic animals means which will be at home. Example, cat, right, dog, cow, sheep. These all animals were taken care by the people. And few animals are there like chimpanzee. These all will be in forest, like tiger, lion, next fox, elephant. These all animals lives in forest. Now about here few animals are there which will eat only the grass, and few animals are there which will kill the other animal and eat away the animal. Now about these things we are going to read in this lesson. Now in your page number 233, here you have a small warm-up. Warm-up you know na beta? It is a small exercise for you to start the new lesson. Now here dog is in your textbook, and at the one side of the corner here you have the bone. Right? Bone means here in your whenever you are eating a non-veg food item, in that you will be getting the bones. No? Now one bone is here. Now how the dog will reach the bone to fulfill his want, or how he want to eat the bone. Now here a small exercise is there in your textbook. Here warm up. How the dog will reach the bone. How the dog will reach the bone you have to do. Right? It is a small part of the exercise of your lesson. Now page number 234. Page 234, and now we are going to begin the lesson. Right? Now put the finger where I am reading. We have learned that we need food to grow and stay healthy. So no, if we want to do something, if we want to go, if we want to study well, if we want to do all the given homeworks, we should be very healthy. So that what we have to eat, we have to take the healthy food. Now like us, animals too need to live. Now here you have the chimpanzee, right, and here you have the tiger, and here you have the elephant. How we will eat the food, in the same way these animals also require the food to live. Now there are many kinds of animals on the earth. Just now we have discussed about the two types of animals, domestic animals and wild animals. In such way we have number of animals which are living on the earth. No doubt here we are also living on the earth. Even we also move from one place to another place. Even tiger also move from one place to another place. To get energy we will eat also food. Even tiger also will eat the food. Yes or no? Yes. Now they live in the different places and eat different kinds of food. Now here we live in, most of the people they will live in the huts. They will live in such type of houses and few people live in the big bungalows. The same way here, these animals will not live in the bungalows or in the huts. Even their living places also different. You have any idea where the monkey lives? Yes, monkey lives on tree. Yes or no? Right. Monkey lives on tree. And where the tiger lives? Wherever he have the place in between the grass and under the shade of the tree also it will live. And where the horse will live? For the horse also one special house will be there, which is made by the man, that we call as the stable. Right? Now, according to their food habits, animals are divided into the different groups. And even among us also, few people will eat only vegetables and few people will eat both the vegetables and non-veg. Non-veg like egg, chicken, mutton they will eat, no better. Right? Even in our class also, few people will eat only the vegetables. And few people will be there who will eat all the types of non-vegetarian food. Now let us read about the kinds of animals, what they eat and where they live. Now here we are going to discuss about the food habits. Food habits of animals. Right? Now, plant eating animals. Few plants are there who will eat only the grass. Example, here I have horse. And what horse will eat? Horse cannot kill the tiger. Yes or no? And it cannot eat the flesh of this tiger. So what the horse will do? Horse will eat only the green leaves, green plants, dry grass, only such type of food items only it will eat. Yes or no? Such animals are called as herbivorous animals or plant eating animals. The animals which will eat only plants are called plant eating animals. Plant eating animals or herbivores. Herbivorous animals. You got the idea now? The animals which eat only the grass. Yes, and that animals are known as the herbivorous animals or the plant eating animals. Here I will show you the deer. Even deer is also, it will eat the grass, it will eat the carrot, whatever food we eat. Normally even the deer also will eat the same. Right? It will eat the fruits, mostly the fruits it will eat. Now, example of the herbivorous animals are cow, buffaloes. Better few animals are there. What they will do, you know, whatever the leftover food items are there, like curry, rice, everything also they will eat off. Now, rabbit. What rabbit eat? What is the favorite food of the rabbit here? It is a carrot or radish. Mostly it will eat these red color things. And even we can see in few people's house they will take care of the rabbit also. They are white in color, no? Yes. Now, next, deer and horses. These are the examples of plant eating animals. Here just now I show you, this is a deer. These all will come under the plant eating animals. Hope you have understood till here. Herbivorous is nothing but the animals which will eat only the plants. Right? Plants, vegetables, like few animals are there which will eat the fruits also. So, example of the plant eating animals are cow, buffalo, rabbit, deer and horse. Hope you have understood. Now, we will move to the next one. This is the first habit of the animals. The animals which will eat only the plants, that we call as a plant eating animal. Here, some herbivores like hens also eat grains. Even the hen which will do kurukul every morning, that animal also will eat the food grains. Here sometimes we give the rice also to them, no? Here such items also it will eat. Now moving to the next flesh eating animal, that is about the animals which will eat the flesh of the other animals. Flesh eating animals. Now here I will draw a small picture for you. Here you have to identify what is it. What is this, beta? Right, already you have something, right? Now here you get the idea. This is a chicken leg piece. And what is this? This is a egg. Right? And here this is a fish. Right? Where the fish lives in water. And now here flesh eating animals and animals hunt and eat the other animals for the food. Example, the tiger is here. What the tiger will do? It will hunt, it will run, it will chase the animals and it will kill the other animal. Yes or no? Such animals are very dangerous. So they are called the flesh eating animals. The animals which will chase the other animal and it will kill that animal and it will eat the flesh of that. So such animals are called flesh eating animals. Flesh eating animals. Right? Now here the tiger can eat the chicken also. It can eat the hen. It can eat the fish and it can eat the goat also. So here these animals will come under the flesh eating animals. Example, here we have leopard, wolf, tiger, lion, cheetah, and example. Here these all animals are called as the flesh eating animals, and when animals eating the plants is called as the herbivores. In the same way, the animals which will eat the flesh of the other animals is known as carnivores. Carnivorous animals. Right? The plant eating is herbivorous. Herbivorous, herbivores, and the flesh eating animals is known as carnivores. Carnivores. Carnivores animals. Right? Now, the animal that these carnivores hunt and eat is called prey. Now here, this tiger will not cook by himself. Yes or no? Right? Now here any person will not give any food for him. So what the tiger will do? It will chase, it will run behind the other animal and it will kill that animal and eat the flesh. That animal, that food we call as a prey. Yes or no? Hunting, chasing and killing the animal, then eating is called as prey. Hunting the animal and eating is known as prey. Prey. Right? Now, moving to the next topic, that is about the omnivores. Now, plant-eating animals is known as the herbivores. Flesh-eating animals is known as the carnivores. Now, we will see what is the omnivores. Omnivores. Now, some animals eat both the plants and other animals for food. They are called omnivores. Now, few here example what we will do now on the Saturday, Friday, few days are there where mother will cook only the vegetables. On Sunday or any other special day, mother will prepare the special dishes. Yes or no, like chicken biryani, egg biryani, these all things. So we will eat both the plants and we'll eat both the vegetables and non-vegetables. Like chicken, mutton, egg we will eat. In the same way, here few animals are there which will eat both the plants and flesh of the other animal. Such animals are called as the omnivores. What they will eat? Plant and flesh of other animal. Hope it is very clear for you. Herbivores eat only the plants. Carnivores eat only the flesh of the animals. Omnivores are the animals which will eat plant as well as the flesh of other animal. So what are the examples of omnivores? Monkey, deer, crow, or the omnivores or the omnivorous animals. Example, even the chimpanzee also looks like a monkey. Right? It will eat both the plants at the same time the flesh of the other animals. Crow, monkey, bear. Right? These are the different types of animals and food habits where they are divided into the three types: herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivores. Plant eating animals are called as herbivorous, flesh eating animals called as carnivores, and animals which will eat both the plants and the flesh of the other animal is known as the omnivores. Right, beta? Hope you have understood here. Now, what are the scavengers? Scavengers. Right? What are scavengers? The scavengers eat the flesh of dead animals. Here, tiger is the animal which will run, which will chase the animal, which will kill and finally it will eat off. But here, few animals are there which will eat only the dead animals. Yes or no? The tiger is chasing the live animal which is already having the life. Such animals only it is chasing and killing. But here few more animals are there which will eat the only dead animals. That such type of animals called as the scavengers. Now vultures, hyenas and jackals are some scavengers. Right? Now moving to the animal homes. Where do we live? We live in house. Right? We live only in one type of house better. Even we are having the two types of houses. Kacha house, Pakka house and many types of houses. In the same way, for the animals also we have the different houses, different homes. Right? Now, animals live in different kinds of homes. Let us read about them. Homes of domestic animals. Already in the starting we have learned here we have the two types of animals, domestic animal and wild animal. Domestic animals will be taken care by the people like us. Right? Now for them here we have built or we have made different houses. Now homes of domestic animals. Now, domestic animals such as cow, horse, dog, sheep and hen have special homes. For example, where the horse lives. Where the horse lives in stable. Where the horse lives in the stable. Where his house will be like this and where it is completely packed and from this is the only part where he can able to look outside. So the house of horse is called as stable. You can see the horse in my hand. Yes or no? This horse will live in a stable. Right? Now the next house is a dog lives in a kennel. Where the dog lives, it lives in a kennel. So here you can see a small house which is also a type of kennel. So here you can see, here this is the right here it will come out and again it will go away. Go inside. Now where the hen lives, it lives in a coop. Which are here in the village, now in the cities here we are making the house for the hens. Yes or no? But in the villages we can see like in Telugu we call as a gampa. Yes or no? Here it will be like this coop. Where in the present days where the people will keep the vegetables in the, where under this will keep the hens. This is also a coop and this is also a coop. Now a sheep lives in a pen. What is a pen here? Not writing pen. Not the writing pen. Where all the four sides it is made with the wooden racks will be there, boundary will be there. Yes or no? Now inside here we will keep all the sheep. Already most of the people who are living in the villages or whenever you go for the villages you can observe this where all the sheep will be placed. Now a cow lives in a shed. Where the cow lives? In a shed. Yes or no? Right? Even most of you have went to the cow shed for giving the grass to the cows. Yes or no? Now here you can observe where the cow lives. It lives in a shed. And what the cows eat mostly? It eats the grass. Now where the fish lives? It lives in an aquarium. Where the fish lives? It lives in an aquarium. But here most of the people have the habit of taking care of the fishes at home. Every time we will get the new fishes and we will keep in the aquarium. And time to time how we will eat the food. The same way according to the time we will give the food for the fishes also. Now homes of wild animals. Hope you have understood this. Here domestic animals live in different houses, different homes. And the same way here we have the home for the wild animals. Wild animals. Wild animals live in the natural shelters. Natural shelters means who made the shelters, who made the homes for them. We didn't prepare any homes for them. Only which are made by the nature itself. Now tree is there in the forest. Who made this tree? With the help of the nature only it was made. Now like forests, grasslands and in oceans and seas. So these are the living shelters of the wild animals. Now example here we have a lion lives in a den. Where the lion lives? The lion lives in den. This house we call as a den. Yes or no? We can able to live in the den? No. This den is completely made with the huge rocks. Now a monkey lives in a tree. Where the monkey lives? Where does monkey live better? On tree. Now a bear lives in a cave. Again, the lion lives in a den, and the bear lives in a cave. And a crocodile lives in a swamp. The crocodile is animal which will live on the land as well as in the water. Here a small pond-like structure. This we call as a swamp where the crocodile will live in this. Right? Now here the rabbit live in the burrows and they dig the ground to make their burrows. Here what this animal will do? The rabbit will do. This is the ground now. Here they will dig the ground. It will make the burrows. And here who will live? Rabbit. Now the birds live in trees. Now here on the tree, few birds what they will do? They will make a small nest and they lay the eggs also in this. The birds live in nest and few birds will be there like the pigeon. For the we people will take care of the pigeon also. For them we prepare the special homes like this completely box type home we will prepare, or in the pot only we will prepare for them. We will build such type of houses for the pigeons. Now they make their own nest with the straws and leaves. They lay eggs in the nest to keep them safe. So here few animals, few insects, few birds are there which will make their own houses, and few animals are there which the houses are made by the people for them. That is example domestic animals. Now what are the homes of insects? Now before going to start the homes of insects, here I want to give a small homework. Now the next section we will do the home of insects and other remaining part we will do. Now here please copy down the homework. Now already I told you to do the warm up. Page number, do page 233 warm up in semester book. Right? Beta, till here we have done. Hope you have understood well. Please go through the lesson reading. It will be very easy and very interesting lesson. It is as a part of the revision. Please read the lesson. Thank you.